So this is CSIR net 30th November 2020, Puducherry and Tamil Nadu. So the question is that we are given G is a group of order 2020. This is the order of group 2020, and then which of the following statements is necessarily true? So it is a simple, not a simple group, exactly 4 subgroups it has. G is a cyclic group or G is abelian. So let's just start it by Silos package. So what is it basically? That you have to factorize the number. So when we factorize, we get 2 into 2 into 5 into 101. Prime factorization we have done. Now if we find the number of PSSGs in this, so we have we can start by taking 2 SSG. So if we start by 2 SSG, so that will come out to be 1 plus 2k divides 505. Now that will be quite a lot of number. You will have 5 1, then you will have your 101 and 505. So quite a lot. Now if you find 5 SSG, that means, so first we have to find the for every prime there exists a PSSG. For every prime pre there exists a PSSG. So for 5 we will find, and number of the prime SSG PSSG are by taking 1 plus pk, right, and that divides the order of the group. Now order of the group means the remaining order, because 1 plus 5k like here will not divide 5, right? So the remaining order, that is 2 into 2 into 101, that is 404. Now again you will be getting quite a lot numbers here as well. So if we take k to be 20, so you will get 101 and 404 also you will get from here. So quite a lot of numbers you have. So again, now moving to the third prime, which is 101 SSG. Now this will be 1 plus 101k in divides 2 into 2 into 5, right? That is 20. Now this is not possible except for 1. For any other value of k, this is not possible. Now if you can recall PSSG in that silo package, if we get 1 as the number of PSSGs, then that group is normal, right? So this is a theorem which is a conclusion from Silos package. So you can check that. For details you can message me on 8800122822. You can WhatsApp me and I can discuss with you in detail the silo package if you want. Okay, so next is now yes, so if we have that G is a group of order 2020, what we get, if we have that a group is normal, then that group is normal. Unique PSSG, that is the exact statement. Unique PSSG implies that that group is normal, that PSSG is normal. So that means this one is normal. That means G cannot be simple. Any group which has a normal subgroup cannot be simple. So this is my correct option. Rest of the options you can check and discard somehow, but straight away I am getting first option, so I didn't think upon the rest of the options. If you think about the rest options, please let me know. Okay, thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel and share the video as much as possible.